Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a really pretty soft fall smoky eye, and I'm using the So Jaded palette, which is the collab with Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. I recently picked up this palette and this is the first video I'm filming with this. So first I'm going in with the shade Rose Quartz, and this has been one of my favorite transition shades in the palette because it's a nice light, like brown shade. I was gonna say like a khaki. It's a khaki. Next I'm going in with Rose Quartz and You're a Gem. Again, these two really pretty crease combo because you got that like khaki color and that peachy color. It's perfect for a neutral look. I love it. Next I'm going into the shade Carnelian, which is a really gorgeous like terracotta kind of color, and I'm putting this in the crease, really focusing it there. I'm using a lip pencil to do this actually, and then I'm just using my Morphe M441 brush to really blend everything out like I do in pretty much all my tutorials. Next I'm going in with Carnelian again, and I'm just really focusing this on the outer V just to add some like depth, and then I'm blending everything together on the outer V, or yeah, just everything together with my Morphe M441. That's what I was trying to say. Next I am going in with Diamond, which is probably my favorite shade in the whole palette, and I'm just putting this on the lid with my finger. This shade just works best with your finger. I just feel like all ColourPop shimmer shades do. Next I'm blending again. This look is a lot of blending. Now I'm going in with the shade Stones, which is a really nice dark deep brown, and I'm just putting this along the lash line. I've been doing this a lot when I get ready for work because I need to do quick makeup for work, so I've just been running like this shade specifically along the lower lash line, or on my lower and upper lash line, and I love how it looks. So I thought I'd show you guys how I do my lashes lately. So I'm just curling my lashes, and then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise base, and I'm just putting this on my lashes. I actually put this on my lashes and then I finish up the rest of my face off camera, and then I go in with the Tarte Big Ego mascara, which I didn't think I was going to like, but I love this. It's so volumizing. I just forgot the word. I love this mascara, hands down one of my favorites. I absolutely love it. You can see how much like longer my lashes are. It's crazy. So I'm just putting that on my lashes, top and bottom. And then I always like to go with a waterproof mascara. So next I'm going in with the Bella Pierre Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara, and just putting this on my top and bottom lashes, but I covered doing my bottom lashes, so yeah. Next I'm going in with a Dose of Colors, my main liquid lipstick. This is the first time I filmed in a really long time, and I totally covered my mouth. I'm sorry, but you guys have seen me apply liquid lipstick a ton of times, but I just love how this color looked with this look, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.